Ready? This simple device saves you many hours of toil. Full stop. Just fill in the attached form below and post it to us, or apply to your local dealer for details of this useful article. Full stop. Please supply me with a few samples of cloth in blue and black, which would be suitable for autumn suits. Full stop. I should be obliged if you would include a couple of samples each of single and double weights. Full stop. Please deliver to us as early as possible 50 copies of the book entitled Clothes and How to Make Them. Full stop. These are to be supplied at a total cost of 20 guineas, including delivery. Full stop. We are pleased to know that you will be able to deliver some of the tables by the 1st of January, and that you expect to supply the rest in 2 weeks. Full stop. We shall be obliged if you will get enough to us by the 1st to enable us to make a special display of them. Full stop. I believe that many of the articles in this sale should be especially valuable to you. Full stop. For the first time in the history of the store, we are able to make them available at a reasonably low cost, and I urge you to call and inspect them as soon as you possibly can. Full stop. Do not wait till it is too late. Full stop.